The advanced vignette effect.
Been at it already, had my tarot read. Things are looking up for me, that's what my tarot said. Been pumping out pheromones and wearing red. Young Jerry Lolliver king, but they're not aware of it.
Today's video is sponsored by James Brown. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Bring a frame average node in empty space, connect your clip to this and drag it to the left viewer. Increase the frames to 10. Add a glow node. Bring down the shine threshold and the spread slider to your liking. Add a soft color to your glow. Right-click to the gain slider and select to modify it with shake. Go to the modifiers tab and bring down the smoothness slider. Connect the glow to the merge as a foreground. Select the merge node and add an ellipse mask on it. Adjust the size of the mask to your liking. Check the invert box, increase the soft edge slider, and bring down the border width. Once you are satisfied with your mask, activate the keyframe button for the center value, and animate the position of your mask to roughly follow your subject. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, this is a men's world, no place for you.